added some more pine shavings. What is that, about 2 inches? And then I'll put the boards on top of that. Help keep them warm. I do have to close that hatch. That experiment did not work. I left the hatch open thinking it wouldn't get cold in here, but even though there's no wind, you know, you open a door to your house and there's cold air outside, guess what happens? What are you doing? You're on my chair. You're on my table. Yeah? Yeah, you are. Ooh, it's getting cold over here. It's much warmer in the sun. Ooh. Everyone's on my chair. Hey, what are you doing on my chair? Again, I haven't been doing a lot of recording because I need to rake this up and shovel this up and heat this up. You know, if the weather is kind of crappy, I don't want to film quite as much. Hi. But Parkour Chick here doesn't care. She's like, whatever. You need to come out here. You need to let me see what's in your pocket. Look at this. She knows there's something in my pocket here. Yes, I know. So we are sprouting some oats in the house. They seem to like that so far. We are growing a package of like, okay, seriously, attack of the chickens here. The days are a lot shorter, so, you know, I try to get out here, right, what time is it now? It's like 3:30. PK, seriously, quit. Go do something. Go do something. I'm trying to film you being chickens. Not harassing me. No, PK. PK, quit. No, it's empty. See? Not a dang thing. I did come out earlier today, and we were actually able to dig up a couple of worms. They were hibernating, so had a very rude awakening. They're now inside a chicken. I don't think there are any worms this close to the surface. No, we have to actually dig. And I already dug. We're not going to dig anymore. Yeah. So they get scratched now, again, because it's cold. They really love that. They're like, yes, our favorite thing. Where are they? I'm just filming a bunch of shrubbery. He wants me to film shrubbery. Ah, there they are. Now they're digging, trying to find some worms. Hi. No, do you want to get it? You want to get it? Look, there's a slug. There you go. You're blocking the camera view though. No one can see you. There you go. You getting any of those pill bugs? Oh yeah, there's some more. She's like, coming over here near you at this moment paid off. Yeah, all the other chickens are over there. Okay. Good job. That slug was going to die anyway. We don't hardly get any slugs here. But I do when I have... Oh, what? I'm not doing anything, you crazy? Well, there's a little something, huh? Yeah. We gotta hurry or all the other chickens are gonna wonder what's going on. Now my hands are dirty. Yeah. Yes. Miss Cloud, yes. You have your own sound, don't you? The white part of her feathers is kind of like almost a yellow color right now. I don't know if that's just from the time of year and the way the sun is shining I don't know how, the filter of the sun, does that make sense? Or if literally her feathers are changing color over the winter. Are you finding anything? There's probably nothing there, huh? They do eat this. You want this? Yeah. Yeah, I definitely want it when you're holding it. Yeah. There you go. No. Oh, there was a worm. Look on the board. Look. Right there. Right there on the board. Look. No, are those not warm enough for you? Okay, I don't know. They're like centipede. So their eyes are way better for this than mine. I'll be like, there's no worm there. Like, are you stupid? There's a worm right there. Yeah, the others are coming over. I don't know what the temperature is. I think it's like 36 right now, which is, they don't mind, as long as you don't get wet, right? What, you think I got something? Uh-oh. Oh, see, now they're over here. They think we're doing something. I mean, they're right. Yeah. I'm glad this hairy vetch, which is a crop cover, it grows, even in crappy weather. Adds nutrients to the soil. And bonus, chickens like it. And look at that, they're just like going to town. They really like dandelions and they like kale. But if they get over here and they see that this is here and they're like, oh wait, and they'll eat it. If I start digging for worms though, then they're done with this. They're like, no, we want our meat and we'll save the vegetables for later. What do you call this? Just a quick little afternoon with the chickens, with the hens. And they're certainly staying near me today. But you think I have something for you. I don't. I got your tail. I do. I got your tail.